Volkswagen of America Managing IT Priorities, presented by Team 12, Priya Madhuri Sajja, Nagapriyanka Tadikamalla, Hemant Kumar Reddy Uputuri, Goripati Sainath, Jamilamudi Sunny Kumar. Important facts. Founded in 1937, Ferdinand Porsche designed the first Volkswagen automobiles in Germany. Volkswagen of America is founded in 1955 in New Jersey and current headquartered in Virginia. In 1960s, Volkswagen sales patterns of being up and downs known as the Himalaya charts. In 70s, the Beetle popularity declined and importation to the US was discontinued. In 90s, Beetle production continued in Latin America. With sales share of 7% in 1970 is an all-time peak. As of 2007, there were 596 Volkswagen dealerships in the USA. In 2011, Chattanooga Products facility opened after $1 billion investment. In May 2013, the facility built 250,000 Passat sedan, sold more than 430k vehicles in 2012. Beetles remain the best-selling car of all the times. Key issue 1. IT projects are handicapped by budget constraints. Alternative course of action. Create a separate IT department for each business unit. Increase IT budget by 10% per year until IT catches up. Remove the budget cap completely. COA evaluation. IT department for each business unit. Pros. Each business unit has its own budget and full autonomy. By carefully selecting the project in business unit can reduce the fighting for a piece of the pie. Cons. There must be a silo effect where each unit blindly works on its own project and does not seek ways to share resources and develop enterprise systems. COA evaluation increase IT budget. Pros. IT budget must remain at subsistence level in order to provide more funding for more important functions such as sales and marketing. Maintains the IT infrastructure budget up to date. Cons. It will be a few years before IT infrastructure catches up. It will be difficult to decrease a budget once it has been higher. People will be accustomed to the larger budget and feel squeezed by the constraints. COA evaluation. Remove the budget cap completely. Pros. By uncapping the budget, the true potential of IT strategy can be realized. By undergoing the cost effect analysis, the selection process determines the company strategy. Cons. It will be difficult to sell an unlimited IT budget in an environment that does not trust or value IT. Recommended COA. A large budget increase is required to update the IT department, while at the same time a feeling pervades among business managers that IT is not really a necessity or even worth the money. The parent company should grant an increase in the IT budget and make sure the prioritization process provides funding for one automotive group mandated projects. Key issue 2. IT is viewed as an obstacle, not an asset. Alternative source of action. Internal IT marketing campaign. Replace CIO with one from another company. COA evaluation. Internal IT marketing campaign. Pros. Usage of technology leads to improving day-to-day high performance. Employees uses the existing IT tools efficiently. Cons. Employees could reject the campaign and resources will be wasted. COA evaluation. Replace CIO with one from another company. Pros. Promotes and utilizes the technology in effective ways. This will boost morale within the company in showing strong support for technology initiatives. Cons. Expensive to obtain and very few potential candidates. Could be disruptive short term while getting up to speed on the current state of Volkswagen. Recommended COA. For better achievement of company's goals, we can conduct an internal marketing campaign demonstrating the value of IT. Simplify the project prioritization process, and by focusing on choosing IT projects with low break-even points and the highest ROI for the first few years to increase company confidence in IT. Key issue 3. Legacy constraints. Alternative course of action. Create an entirely new in-house IT infrastructure. Purchase a new IT system from an outside vendor. Use a service-oriented architecture approach. COA evolution. New in-house IT infrastructure. Pros. The IT department replaces the old legacy infrastructure with a new one that is based on the latest technologies. The new infrastructure will address all current problems and help to implement all of the new strategy recommendations. Cons. This will be time consuming for the IT department and will take all of its resources. IT departments are not information technologists by training or experience. They lack that knowledge for such a huge operation. COA evolution. Purchase a new IT system from an outside vendor. Pros. Volkswagen of America will replace the legacy infrastructure with a new IT system specifically designed for their needs and capabilities. The outside vendor will bring Volkswagen of America's IT system up to the modern standards for them to continue and improve their business. Cons. This would be very costly and time consuming. In order to meet the requirements, the outside vendor would have to create an entirely new infrastructure from scratch. IT people will have to learn the new system and contact the vendor for any issues. COA evaluation. Use an service oriented approach. Pros. Service oriented approach can help Volkswagen of America leverage their existing legacy systems while helping them achieve greater interoperability with other systems in their enterprise and as well as of customers, partners and suppliers. Service oriented approach can help deliver real time access and increase speed and accuracy of making business decisions. Cons. They would have to train their employees on service oriented approach methodologies. The transition to the new service oriented approach could take months to accomplish. Recommended COA. This strategy will help change the negative perception of IT throughout the Volkswagen of America and elevate it to a positive and constructive assert. This positive perception, mixed with an initial focus on short turnaround projects, will demonstrate that IT can indeed be profitable. This will allow Volkswagen of America to ask for a gradual increase in the budget cap until they can hopefully get the cap removed. This in turn will allow Volkswagen of America to update their IT department and gain the tools to further achieve the company's goals. In addition, we recommend simplifying the prioritization process in order to gain an adoption by the business units. Finally, we feel strongly about using a system oriented approach to leverage Volkswagen of America legacy systems and get the greatest return from the IT budget. Thank you.